DTC P0335 indicates a malfunction in the crankshaft position sensor circuit in Nissan vehicles. The CPS monitors engine rotation, crucial for ignition timing, fuel injection, and overall engine performance. The crankshaft position sensor is typically located near the crankshaft pulley in the engine bay, as shown in this diagram. Common causes of DTC P0335 include electrical faults like wiring damage and corrosion, sensor failure due to wear from heat or oil exposure, and mechanical issues such as damage to the reluctor ring. This diagram shows the sensor's wiring connections. Symptoms of DTC P0335 include engine stalling, difficulty starting the vehicle, reduced engine power, and illumination of the check engine light. Diagnosis starts with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P035 code. Further testing may include voltage checks or oscilloscope analysis to verify sensor signals, as shown in these tools. Repair typically involves replacing the crankshaft position sensor or repairing wiring. As of September 2025, DTC P0335 is less common in newer Nissan models due to advancements in sensor durability, though it still affects older vehicles. Nissan has addressed P0335 issues with updated technical service bulletins and recalls. A 2024 recall affected 2013-2019 models due to faulty CPS wiring harnesses. Newer models from 2020 onward feature improved wiring materials. Trends show a decline in P0335 cases as Nissan shifts toward hybrids and electric vehicles, which don't use crankshafts. As of 2025, EV adoption has reduced these issues significantly. The future outlook predicts P0335 will be nearly eliminated by 2030 as Nissan phases out internal combustion engine models. For older vehicles, proactive diagnostics using telematics and AI-driven predictive maintenance are emerging solutions. Always consult a professional for repairs to avoid potential engine damage.